Radha Charan was born at Pabna in Bangladesh in 1910, died 1977. He graduated in 1939 with distinction, Government, School of Art and Craft, Calcutta, coming in direct contact with Abanindranath Tagore, Mukul Dey and others. He taught art in schools before joining Kala-Bhavan at Rabindranath Tagore's invitation. In 1951 he joined Kala-Bhavan, Santiniketan. In 1963–73, he was officiated twice as the Principal of Kala-Bhavan, Santiniketan. Bagchi enjoyed working in both tempera and oil, switching from one to the other with equal ease, and also worked with the graphic mediums of dry point, etching, lithography and linocut. Known for his miniatures, Bagchi's paintings of the fall of the Mughal Empire depict its pathos. Hindu and Buddhist mythology featured prominently in his works, and he illustrated the Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata, and the Buddhist Jataka tales in miniature tradition. He also painted episodes from the works of poet Kalidasa including Kumarasambhava, Meghadootam and Abhigyan Shakuntalam, portraying the characters in a lively, lyrical manner. He received several awards in his career, among them, the President's Medal for Best Exhibitors Prize at the College of Art and Craft, Calcutta, All India Exhibition of Paintings, Madras in 1958, and the first prize for the scroll painting Abhigyan Shakuntalam on Assamese Muga silk.